Good morning, students. Here is once again your maths teacher with class 8 maths. Today we will start a new chapter which is very important in your syllabus, that is algebraic identities. This is first video on it. Let us introduce first. Algebraic identities are mathematical equalities which remain true regardless of the values of any variables which appear within it. That means these are such expressions which are true for all values of the variables. One of the identities we will take, for example, is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, that is square of a plus b and is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here the two variables are a and b, and if you take any values of a and b, the both side LHS and RHS will always remain equal. Let us take a equal to 2 and b equal to 3 and check whether these two sides are equal or not for a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. You can choose any other number also. So let us take the first side LHS, and we have LHS is a plus b whole square. Putting the values of a and b, a equal to 2 and b equal to 3, whole square is equal to 5 square and that is equal to 25. Now put the same values on RHS. In RHS we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. Putting the values of a and b, we get 2 square plus 2 into a equal to 2 and b equal to 3 plus b square, that means 3 square. Square of 2 is 4 plus 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12 plus, sorry, here 3 square. Square of 3 is 9, and on adding we get 25. That means from the above discussion we can say that the expression a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is always true for all values of a and b, and such equalities, mathematical equalities, are called algebraic identities. So let us proceed. How does these identities came and what are their applications? So first of all, try to derive a plus b whole square. Square, as we have already learnt, that means multiply the same number 2 times. Here it is a plus b whole square. That means a plus b will multiply 2 times. That is a plus b multiply a plus b. And as in class 7, you have learned to multiply the two binomials. Here it is first term, second term. Here it is suppose third and fourth. We have two binomials, a plus b and a plus b, and let us multiply. First, multiply first term by third term, a into a plus first term into fourth term, a into b. Now second term multiply with third term, b into a plus second term into fourth term, b into b. A into a, as we know, it is a square, here it is ab, here ba, and it is b into b square. Now we know that AB and BR are like terms because A multiply B and or B multiply A are same because they are commutative in nature. Therefore it is A square, and AB plus AB is equal to 2AB twice of AB plus B square. So we reached the final expression, that is A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So what we have discussed here, that is we derived a formula, an algebraic identities. Therefore you can directly use this formula to solve and to find the square of such type of expression. You need not to multiply every time in 3 steps. In just one step you use this formula to find your solution. And you remember this one, because on the basis of this expression we will solve some questions. So first of all, we'll try to use this formula, that means the expansion of a binomial expression is squaring a binomial expression. So the first question is expand 2x plus 3y whole square. We have to find the 2x plus 3y whole square. So we will not multiply here as we have done earlier. We will directly use this formula, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. On comparing with a plus b whole square, you can easily observe that in place of a we have 2x, that is we have a equal to 2x, and in place of b we have 3y, that is b equal to 3y. Now we know that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will directly use this formula because we have similar expression, 2x plus 3y whole square is equal to a square, and a is equal to 2x, therefore whole square of 2x plus 2 into a, and a is equal to 2x multiply b, and b equal to 3y plus the third term is b square, and b equal to 3y, therefore whole square of 3y. Now you just find the square of 2x. Square of 2x means 2x multiply 2x, and 2 2 is 4, and x into x is x square. Therefore 4x square. Here also first to multiply the numbers, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, and x multiply y is xy plus 3y square, that means 3y multiply 3y, and is 9y square. Thus we directly expanded this expression with this formula. Therefore within this chapter you are not learning to multiply because you have learnt earlier in class 7. Here we will directly use this formula. I hope it has been clear and you apply the same with some questions provided in WhatsApp group.